Hello. My name's Peter Dunkley. I'm the Technical Director at Crocodile RCS, and with me here is John Parr, Managing Director. Just to give you a quick introduction, Crocodile has been at all three of these WebRTC expos, and what we do at Crocodile is a JavaScript SDK for WebRTC, and we also have a cloud-based network to back that up. That network contains signaling servers, media gateways, and just now conferencing servers. We offer a number of different business models. It's a freemium platform you can sign up and use. Platform as a service, fully hosted. We can provide trunks to your existing infrastructure, or we can do a private network deployment. So, conference services have been around for a long time, and to be honest, over the last year or so with WebRTC, I haven't really seen anything that strikes me as spectacularly new. Everybody's doing the same old thing, just straight from a browser. So basically all that WebRTC has done there is made it more convenient. But one of the things that I think is going to happen is that WebRTC is going to make it much easier for people to use conferencing, and therefore much easier for people to use conferencing in applications that are not what you would traditionally consider conferencing. So everybody's talked about the big change WebRTC bringing to media sessions is context. So the media session becomes something you use to enhance your application rather than something you do for its own sake. So I'm going to say now, let's stop talking about conferencing and start talking about end-party sessions. Basically, I don't believe there should be any difference from an end user's or a developer's point of view between creating a call to one person and a call to three people. Your API, whatever it is you choose to use, should handle this for you. You shouldn't have to worry about network resources. You shouldn't have to worry about whether it needs to be a peer-to-peer call or a multi-party call. Your system should handle this for you. So in the Crocodile SDK network, we've added support for ad hoc end-party sessions. It's exactly the same API as we currently have for connecting to one person to one other person. We have a simple method called connect, and instead of putting one address in, you put in an array of addresses. The network takes care of allocating the conference bandwidth, the conference resources. The network and the SDK takes care of inviting other people into the conference. You can add people to existing sessions. With our SDK, when you create a media session to somebody, you end up with a media session object. And that media session object you can call a single API call on with an additional address, and that person will be brought into the conference. And if this is actually a peer-to-peer call, the network and the SDK will take care of allocating the conference resource and seamlessly transferring the existing people into that conference. So this is quite useful. And of course, developers, however, can control the layout of this. Now, in a minute, I'm going to do a demo, and just to warn you all, it will be better if other people join in. So if anybody does have Google Chrome available, please do join in when I get there. Now, if today you have a Crocodile Talk account, which is our demonstration service, you can now do conferencing. I'm not going to demo this, but please log on and have a play. You can select multiple conferences and just start an end-party call, multiple users and just start an end-party call, or you can drag contacts onto an existing call to turn it into a conference. And if you leave a conference, you can rejoin. And it looks something like this. But for today's demo, we've got just a new toy that we've put together, which we call Crocodile Scrum. It's truly ad hoc, anonymous end-party sessions. And if people could just go to the site, you go to that site, there will be a text box asking you to enter the name of a Scrum to join. And if you could do so, that will be good.
So I'm going in now.
So I'm in there now, and if the Wi-Fi works here,
Allow.
John will join me in a minute. And what's happening here, yes, it's stuck saying connecting. What's happening here, though,
There we go.
right, is that what's happening here is that we have a conferencing system up there. When you enter the name of a new Scrum, a new entry in the bridge is created. The layout changes as more people come in, up to a maximum of 9 people. As people leave, it will change down again. This is a remarkably small amount of code, and the point I'm trying to make is that actually what we need to start thinking about is not conferencing for business's sake necessarily, but how can you use this to enhance your applications?
Okay. Can we have a few more volunteers? We were hoping to get up to 9.
But yeah, so there's somebody joined back in.
Anyone else?
Sorry, the URL, right.
Could you put your hand up if you're trying to get in? just so that we can see that people are going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Look.
While people are doing that, I'll just explain a little bit about the technology. At Crocodile, we are big users and contributors to open source. And so this conferencing mixing is actually being done on an open source platform called Medusa, which we are also contributing to. It is an excellent, excellent platform, and it's amazing what you can build very rapidly using open source technology. And if you come to a company like us, we can help you do it even faster. Well, I don't think we're getting anybody more joining, so I'm going to go. But this demo will be left up, so if anybody wants to try it, please do. Yeah, that's how it will look if more people join in. Just to let you know, that's the guys back at the office. I took some of the picture earlier today. They'll be in bed by now. So yes, basically Crocodile, we have a WebRTC SDK and network. It has a lot of capabilities, a lot of features, the latest of which is conferencing. Please take a look. There's the website, and thank you.